Hi everyone, it's Mrs. C here. Today we'll solve 3/4 times negative 2.5. I'm going to show you two different methods along with how the negative sign affects the result. The first method I'm going to show you is to convert the fraction 3/4 into a decimal number. To do this, we divide the numerator 3 by the denominator 4. You can do this division using a calculator or the long division process, but either way, the result will be the decimal number 0.75. Now we just multiply the decimal numbers 0.75 to negative 2.5. Let's use the long multiplication process to find the answer. Starting with the 5 and 2.5, 5 times 5 is 25 and carry the 2. Then 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2 is 37. Now we're ready to multiply the 2. But we can't forget to add this 0 placeholder first. Now 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1, and then 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Next we add these partial products. 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, 3 plus 5 is 8, and we'll bring down the 1. The last step is to place the decimal point back into the product. We need to look at the two factors, 0.75 and 2.5, to see how many combined decimal digits they have. And we can see that they have a total of 3 decimal digits. So the product must also have 3 decimal digits, resulting in 1.875. But we're not quite finished until we understand what happens when we multiply a positive number by a negative one. Remember, multiplying by a negative makes the answer negative. So 3/4, or 0.75, times negative 2.5 is negative 1.875. Now let's look at another method that we can use to solve this same problem again. This time, instead of changing the fraction into a decimal, we'll convert the decimal number, negative 2.5, into a fraction. To do this, we'll bring over the negative 2, and then 0.5 is the same as the fraction 5/10. So now we have the mixed number, negative 2 and 5/10. But let's go ahead and convert this mixed number into the improper fraction negative 25 over 10, because we know that a fraction can only be multiplied to another fraction, not a mixed number. But you know what else I can do to make this multiplication easier? I can reduce negative 25 over 10 by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 5, resulting in negative 5 over 2, giving me smaller numbers to multiply. Now we are ready to multiply 3/4 to negative 5 over 2. We multiply the numerators. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, and then the denominators, 4 times 2 is 8. Next, we need to simplify this improper fraction by dividing 15 by 8. 8 goes into 15 one time with 7/8 left over. The last step is to again understand what happens when we multiply a positive number by a negative one. Multiplying by a negative makes the answer negative. So 3/4 times negative 2.5, or negative 5 over 2, results in negative 1 7/8. Thanks for watching, and I hope these examples helped you out. Until next time, keep math awesome.